Hello everybody. Today we are going to see the use of say and tell. This is Miss Gladys Machado. As you can see here, we have say and tell. But first, we are going to see the different forms and the different tenses of this verb. The infinitive, the present tense, the past tense, the past participle, and the present participle. The infinitive form is to say. The present tense is say or says. The past tense is said. The past participle is said also. And the present participle is saying. The formula to use correctly say is, first you use say and then you add something to someone. After say, we always mention what we want to say and then we give the name or the pronoun of the person that we are referring to. Let's see some examples. It says, she said hi. That is correct. She said me hi. Let's say something is incorrect. She said hello to me. Say something correct. Let's see now the use of tell. We are going to see the infinitive, the present, the past tense, the past participle, and the present participle. The infinitive is to tell. Then in the present tense we say we have tell and tells. In past tense we have told, past participle told, and in present participle telling. The formula to use tell correctly is, after tell we have to mention someone and then you have to say what you want to express to that person. For example, she said her name. That is correct because she said something. She said me her name. With the say or after say, we have to use something, so that is incorrect. Then we have she told me her name. After tell, we have to mention someone. So told me is correct. Okay? So as a conclusion, remember, say something to someone or tell someone something. Now we are going to see some practice. Here we have, in the practice, say or tell. Choose the correct answer. Here we have some sentences. You are going to add only say or tell. In different tenses, it depends if the expression is in present, in past, or in present perfect, or any other tense. Here we have a first sentence. And you here we have 10 different sentences. You're going to read carefully and then you're going to say what you have to write in the space. You have some time, or you can stop the video to think in the correct answer. Can you tell me the way to the church? He didn't say a word. He said his name was Tom. Let me tell you something about my family. Forget everything I just said. Why didn't you tell me that before? Why didn't you say that before? He said nothing to me. He doesn't need to tell us that. What did your son say when he saw the new computer? I hope you did a good practice. Let's continue practicing, watching it again. And if you have any question about this, there you have my email. So, thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.